Okay, so now let's talk about now that we have our categories, let's talk about how to copy those categories that we created in one course to all of the rest of our courses. So when I'm on this category screen, what I'm going to do is I'm going to click this first button that looks like 2 pages. When you hover over it, it'll say copy. And as I click on that, and it takes me to that screen at some point, there we go. So as I click on this, it'll take me to a screen where I can copy all of my stuff from one course to another. Now I'm going to go through all the motions, but at the end, I'm going to click cancel because this one already has categories set up in the other courses. But for now, we'll kind of show you. So I'm starting with the course that I created the categories in. So that's where I'm copying it from. And let's look at all of our options. I want to copy everything. So assignments, categories, so forth. If you're copying something later in the year from the screen, you'll actually want to go to selected and you'll want to pick and choose what you're copying. Okay. So for now, I'm just going to do all. Okay. So I'm going to click all. And now I need to decide which course I am adding these categories to. So I'm going to click add course. And I'm going to select all of the courses that I want to copy these categories to. So you'll want to make sure, since we set up the default categories and they're for N1, N2, you want to make sure that you only pick the courses that belong to N1, N2. So I'm going to go through and select. If I select up here at the top, it picks all of them. You want to also make sure you don't select the course you're already in or you've already created them in, because then it will actually duplicate the courses. The same thing happens when you have an assignment. You want to only copy the assignment to the other courses. Don't copy it to the course you're in. Otherwise, you'll end up with duplicate assignments. And when in the video for the second assignment method, it'll show you how to copy straight from that window. So then I just keep going through, I'm gonna copy, 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 and then I'm gonna click add. Okay, so these are all of the sections that I want those courses or those categories, excuse me, those all of the courses that I want the categories copied to. And then the last thing I do is come up here to the top right-hand corner and I click copy. And this is a step that I'm not gonna do because I don't want to copy to, because the other courses in my gradebook already have them. But if you click copy right there, it'll take all of your selections and it'll copy them over. If you're in a course that has some very standard assignments, for instance, P, you can actually copy the assignments and the categories all at the same time. If you want help walking through that, let me know. That is all for this video. Thanks, guys.